Hello everyone, how are you all keeping? I'm just making a quick update. I made a video, what was it, 2 hours ago? And now the price is going the way I wanted it to go. So it's like really quick. And this is like live. This is Dublin time, GMT +1. So it's 5 p.m. Um, yeah, and look at this. We're getting this strong candle here. This is 15-minute chart. So I was just talking about this before. Sorry, I have so many charts, but we need many charts. We need synergy of different time frames for our analysts to be stronger. So I was talking about just earlier, quick summary, that on shorter time frame, not shorter, but like 160 minutes, depends. Like it's relative, right? What you think about it's shorter. That this is kind of bullish or shorter, like on 160 minute. So I actually opened the position already here, long position, and I was stopped out here. But then, I've learned this that I should never give up because sometimes it's just about the timing. And maybe I rushed it before earlier. I used to get really upset if I made a losing trade, and then I would just like, I don't even want to trade again. But sometimes this is exactly what you want to do. So now I put a position in, and straight away it shoot up the way I wanted it to. So yeah, really quickly, because this is kind of like almost live trading. We have divergent here on MACD on 160 minute. You see this? This is beautiful, and this is like seventh wave after this. So we can count seventh waves here, like this, and then what, like 6 and 7, right? You don't have this in TradingView. So yeah, for trend reversals, I always trade just. There's some exclusions, but I trade when we have more than 5 waves, because 5 waves is average. You don't want to be. You want the probability on your side. So I trade when we have more than 5 waves, right? So you go to the shorter time frame, just here, and like I got so like it's not luck. I don't think it's luck. It's hard work as well, because you're looking at these charts, you're analyzing, you're doing your job. But what I was looking at is charts like, as you know, I divide everything by 3. So 27 minute, 9 minute, and 3 minute. And what I was looking at was we had this synergy on all these 3 time frames. We had cycle lows here, here, and here. And what was going on was you could see this bottoming down and kind of like divergent in K and D, and also there you could see divergent on MACD on 9 minute, and then on 3 minute you could definitely see divergence. So I actually entered a position here, and then just a few minutes after it just exploded to the upside, which is great. And I took half of the position out already, so I guarantee myself a nice profit. And now we're hitting a little bit of resistance here. You can see the 50 moving average, but none of this is financial advice. This is just what I'm doing. If you are taking trades, you're doing those so at your own risk. Of course, I'm not a professional advisor. So, but the thing is, what is worrying? Like we have a big green candle here, which is great. But lately in Bitcoin, we've seen this a lot. We've seen this. Look at all these times we see this like big bullish candle, and straight after that, like here. Okay, I have this magnet tool. Here. So we have this like strong momentum up, and then it just doesn't lead anywhere. So we have to be that more careful by taking the profits. So I already took 50% here, because that was like kind of like 1-to-1 ratio, and I'm gonna actually take another half. Yeah, that's a good question, where to take another half. So that was I played really defensively, so I took at the lower point of the support before, and I actually go on third digit, I go one lower. So this is 6620, I go to 6610, and this is where I put, because sometimes you have a reversal before. So actually to take a second profit, this would be ideal, just here. So actually I would have to take a profit now, which is here, 6810, so 10 lower, so 6800. This is where I should take take second profit. I'm gonna do it straight after I finish this, and then so I take 50% on the first one here, I take 25% here, and then I just leave 25 to go, right? So of course, by the time that you see this, it's gonna be too late already to enter this, at least on the shorter time frame. But that's all right. It's not about me giving you signals. It's about me telling you what I'm doing, give you some ideas on trading, and that's really about it. And just understanding is more important than a trade itself. Because like, look at this, how many times this happened. We had this run, and then it just was declined. We're seeing this a lot lately. So yeah, I gotta cut this video short and take the profits, 25%, or actually 50% of what is left of that trade, and just leave the 25 to go. And then also what I'll do, I will after I take the profit, I'll also, because now my stop loss is just under here, but then I'll move it up there. This is my plan. So after first take profit, I don't move the stop loss, I move it after the second take profit. All right, really short, because this is like live and I need to take those profits. So yeah, that was it. Good luck. Like, share, and subscribe.